Hey everybody, welcome back to TechCube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change name on your Gmail account. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and click on your Gmail, and then from there, click on that little profile icon which is appear on the top right corner, and from there click on Google account, and then you will be appear with your Google account information. What you're gonna do is, in order to change your name, click on personal info and scroll down, and as you can see the name option right there, click on it, and then you can see the pencil sign of option. Click on it, and then you can edit your name and change it. So that's all guys. Once you do it, click on save and your name will be successfully changed on Gmail. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.